Hello and welcome back to Modest Reviews. My name is Jason. If this is your first time checking us out, leave a comment below and let us know what you think. We really appreciate the support. Today we're going to be taking a look at and unboxing another $5 phone holder we found at Walmart. Today, this one is called the Fleximount. Let's take a look at it.
Like a bell cut.
Alright, so here we are with the Fleximount clip-on smartphone grip. It is able to reach up to 24 inches, has an adjustable neck for stable hands-free use, clip-on grip durable design, and universal use with all smartphones. So it is Android and iPhone friendly. Take a look at the rest of the package here. You see on the back here it has a gentleman sitting in front of a countertop or a desk or table with it clipped on the side here and stretched out there. And it says, attaches to tables, desks, counters, and more. Fleximount is the perfect solution for media viewing and recording on your smartphone. The flexible neck has a secure base that clips onto the table sides and more, allowing for easy positioning of your device at the best angles and heights. It says you're able to make any angle possible. It's from 2019. Alright, so let's open it and take a look at it. Looks like I ripped it there. Set the empty box to the side there. Okay. Alright, so there will be a slight installation required. All you do is just unscrew this part. And then you take this part out here. Looks like it comes with some advertisement there for a pop socket / makeup item there. Alright, so you just slide that over there. You'll take this and snap it on. And then just screw that back on there. And however tight you make this is how easy it is to pivot that joint there. Alright, so very wide clip there. Looks like that might even fit not only a smartphone but some of your tablets as well. And as you can see, I mean, there's hardly any give in that. So yeah, that's going to be really sturdy. As you can see, it barely any bounce in that, so that's awesome. And then you just clip on with these little felt covers or foam covers here onto your desk like so, and then your device would hang there. These have the little grips inside those as well to make them non-slip. I mean, for $5 at Walmart, I mean, this is going to be amazing. I mean, probably be able to use this not only in the office area or in the privacy of your home, but you may even be able to clip it into a car for hands-free for your children in the back seat, or even if you want to have it clipped on a visor or something like that for a passenger to be able to use their device, even if you're using it for GPS or something like that. So this would have all kinds of good uses. So that's awesome there. So let's take a look at this advertisement here. Alright, so let's take a closer look at this advertisement that came in the package there. It says new Nuckees or Nookies, N-U-C-K-E-E-S, lip grip. It's a phone grip stand and lip balm. So it's a lip balm and a mirror and a phone grip. So it's kind of like a pop socket with the lip balm and the mirror included. Now this is not any type of paid advertisement. I'm not sponsored by this company in any way, but here is a 20% off promo code LUCKY, L-U-C-K-Y, all lowercase. It says you can go to www.nuckees.com and check that out. And on the other side, this one is the Nuckees Aroma. So this is a phone gripper stand and an essential oil diffuser. It says texting never smelled so zen. So this side you can put your essential oil on there and have the good aroma there, or you could elect to have the lip balm and mirror. So, alright, so thanks again guys for checking out the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below, and make sure you hit the notifications so you can get the next video whenever we post it. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.